Hi everyone, I'm Mary Scarpati and thank you for watching another video with me today. Today I'm doing a what I eat in a day on my WW. Today is just like a really typical day. I'm home all day, so I'll be making all my food. So I'll show you everything that I make, all the ingredients, and what the points are on my WW. I'm also attempting to get a workout in today, so I will see what happens. But let's first eat breakfast and then we'll get on with the rest of the day.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid.
So I just finished breakfast. It was super delicious. I am really loving those wild berry waffles. They're so good. I'm so glad I got them. It's like funny how I go through phases with like craving things, and this is exactly what's hitting the spot right now. It just feels like an amazing treat for so low points. This breakfast I think was 4 points for breakfast this morning. Like, that's crazy. It was so good. Okay, so now I am forcing myself to do a workout. I am way overdue. I did 21 day fix and I made it to day like 16, and then I literally was like, I cannot continue on. I don't think it's good for me to do 21, like 7 days a week workouts. I have Addison's disease. I have 3 autoimmune diseases. And at the end of the day, I really tried to think about it, and I'm like, what is my goal? Because like my goal with Weight Watchers was to just have more energy, and I knew I was carrying around a lot of extra weight. I didn't want to be restrictive in my diet, which is why I love Weight Watchers, because it's not restrictive. As you saw, I had a waffle for breakfast with syrup, like so good, and bacon, and I love that, and I'm so grateful. I love, love, love Weight Watchers. But 2020, I lost 15 pounds on Weight Watchers. This year, it's not as much about weight loss as maintenance for me, but my big goal is to get into a healthy, active lifestyle. And that's because I've been, 2020, I think I walked the least in my entire life as I did in 2020. I mean, we got outside when we could, but I spent a lot of time at home, a lot of time sitting on the couch doing work from home, and it was not good for me. And I'm in my 30s, I really want to get strong. So I hate working out. I am not the girl that like works out all the time, but I'm trying to become the kind of girl that takes care of herself. And I know for longevity, having muscle and strength is so important. And it's actually really important for your bones. When you have like muscles, it helps your bones stay healthier or like more dense. Something with bone health. Anyway, it means that I'm gonna do a workout right now, and then I will see you for lunch. I forgot to mention that I'm going to be doing a beach body workout. I'm thinking about joining a gym. If you guys are going to a gym right now, I'd love to know what your experience is. I'm open to going to gym, but I'm also kind of lazy and barely want to work out as is, so I feel like at home makes sense. So right now I'm doing beach body. I might do a 21 day fix dirty 30 workout, just because it's been like 2 weeks since I've worked out, because I got sick I got like a really bad cold, and I've been just trying to be gentle with myself. So I need to get back on the bandwagon, and I really want to see some progress. So I think I'm gonna do a dirty 30, which is a full body strength workout, which is what I love to do. And I will show you a little bit of that.
Just like the movies, I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters, stray around like nighttime rumors.
Okay, so I finished my workout. It was a kick my booty. I feel pretty tired, but I am going to make a quick snack before I jump into the shower, because they say that you should eat after workout. I don't know, I'm experimenting. So I am going to have either an apple or a Premier protein shake. I'm kind of leaning towards the Premier protein shake, even though the apple's 0 points, because I'm kind of in a time crunch and I don't want to cut up an apple. Is that like extreme laziness? I don't know, but Premier Protein it is.
In too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend, I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it.
It's dinner time and I'm really excited because I'm gonna be making one of my favorite foods. It's this zucchini, basically shrimp scampi. So I'm just taking some frozen shrimp and then some zucchinis and making zucchini noodles out of them, and then using butter, Parmesan cheese, garlic, and some basil, and it's gonna be super yummy. It's like one of my favorite things to make. So one thing about this recipe that I love is that you can eat a ton of it for pretty low points. So I will be showing you how I do it. My first step is to take my frozen shrimp and thaw it in a bowl of cold water, and then I clean my zucchinis and prep them for the zoodle little machine thing that I have, and I just made a bunch of zoodle noodles. And then once the shrimp were thawed, I peeled them, the skin and tails off. And next I took 2 tablespoons of, I can't believe it's not butter, light buttery spread, which is super low in points, and I cooked my shrimp in that as well as garlic. And then I added another 2 tablespoons of, I can't believe it's not butter, light buttery spread as well as basil into my pan with my zoodles, and then I mix it around. You just want to be quick with the zoodles, make sure that they get coated in the butter, and try to not make them cook too long because you want them to be al dente and not too soggy or anything like that. What's great about this recipe is you can really pile on a bunch of shrimp, and then you get to top it with Parmesan cheese, and it's still so low in points. I'll put the full recipe in the description box below. Dinner was delicious and only 3 points. It's a great recipe. I highly recommend it to you and anyone else out there that's looking for like a low point yummy dinner. And now, because we had such a low point dinner, we're having a delicious dessert. So I will show you that and the points, and then I'll let you know our daily tally.
We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a big old thumbs up. When you give it a thumbs up, it lets YouTube know that more people searching for my WW content should check out this video, and makes it easier to be suggested. So please give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me, and I would love to see you next time. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos, especially the what I ate in a days with the recipes and all that stuff. I just love having you guys here. And comment down below if there's any recipes you'd like me to make on a healthier version of, or if there's anything you had questions on. Bye!